How to make a stand in Please Donate. Robux is the primary currency utilized in almost every game on Roblox. It serves as a premium currency requiring real money for the acquisition. Engaging in Please Donate allows you to accumulate some extra Robux usable akin to premium Robux. The process in Please Donate is straightforward. Establish a stand, vend game passes, and earn Robux if you're new to setting up your Please Donate booth. Several steps must be followed. In this guide, we'll also elaborate on crafting game passes, which can subsequently be sold to fellow players. Robux hold significant value, and through Please Donate, you can amass some without direct monetary investment. The game pass creation process has been refined due to recent alterations, and furthermore, they have included tips to assist in configuring your booth with the game passes. Upon initial entry in Please Donate, you'll find yourself in a plaza encircled by the stands. Initially, you possess a modest wooden stand, yet alternative selections are available for the purchase, along with the occasional free stand through the codes. To establish your stand, approach an unclaimed stand and interact with it to claim ownership. Once positioned, customization options for the displayed text and appearance becomes accessible. Initially, your stand won't make any items for the purchase, necessitating the setup outside the game environment. Donations from other players essentially involve the acquisition of the game passes. To facilitate this, navigate to the Roblox website on your desktop, access the Create tab at the screen summit, transitioning the tabs to the dashboard upon the selection. Within the dashboard, locate the default username's place and proceed to the left side of the menu, clicking on passes under the monetization products. Offer create a pass leading to new interface for the pass customization, and image selection is flexible as visual hold lesser importance in the Please Donate. After naming and choosing an image, click Create Pass in the Passes menu, and your game passes will lack an image initially awaiting the Roblox approval of the chosen image. Access the game pass, toggle the item for the sell, switch in the Sales tab, and set a price. Roblox retains a portion of the earned Robux. For instance, a 15 Robux game pass yields 11 Robux. Save the alterations and proceed to the final step, revising your stand and Please Donate. Utilize a refresh button at the top of the screen to showcase the newly crafted game passes on your stand, and with your game passes exhibited, await donations or engage with the users through chat to encourage Roblox contributions. So this was all about how to make a stand in Please Donate. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.